Good morning, student. Today we are going to discuss P block elements in detail. There are some P block elements. Let's see. P block elements. We consider here one by one group. Group 13 to 18 in P block. Group 13 to 18 groups are included. Okay. Group 18 are called the noble gases. Group 17 is called the halogens, salt producer, and group 16 is called the chalcogen. Chalcogen means or forming. Now write down the first group of P block. Group 13. It's clear? Which elements are present in group 13? Write down the symbol of the element and atomic number, name, then electronic configuration. Clear to you? So write down the all names. You have to learn the names and symbols. Now write down group 13. Okay. Symbol, atomic number, name. What is the name of this group? Name of the element. Next, electronic configuration. Let's see. The atomic number symbol is boron. First symbol is boron for group 13. What is its atomic number? 5. Clear? And what is the name? Boron. Its name is boron. And its configuration is helium 2s2 2p1. After boron, aluminium 13. Aluminium. Now its configuration is helium neon and 3s2 3p1. Like this. Gallium. Okay. 31. Gallium. Its electronic configuration after neon, argon 4s2 4p1. Let's see. Outermost electronic configuration is same. Indium. Next element is indium. What is its atomic number? 49. Name is indium. Configuration krypton 5s2 5p1. Okay. Helium 81. Helium configuration xenon 6s2 6p1. Nihonium NH 113. Name is nihonium. Its electronic configuration is radon How to learn? You can learn in Hindi. Bhindi, aloo, gobi in thela. Okay? Bhindi, aloo, gobi in thela. You can learn this. So boron, aluminium, gallium, indium, thallium, niobium. Configuration is, let's see, helium 2s2 2p1. Let's see, NH2 np1. Okay. Neon 3s2 3p1. Increase 1 by 1. Organ 4s2 4p1. Krypton 5s2 5p1. Xenon 6s2 6p1. Radon 7s2 7p1. Now group 13. After group 13, this is also called the boron family. Now groups 14. Next group, write down the 14 group. Again, make the table. Name of the element, their symbol, and their electronic configuration. Electronic configuration. Clear? So first is carbon, silicon, germanium, carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, lead, and last one is flerovium, Fl. Flerovium, Fl. Atomic number is 6, 14, now 32, 15, 114 and 120. So sorry, 1 after 50, 82 and 114. Name is carbon, second silicon, germanium, okay, tin, lead, and next is flerovium. How to learn? Carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, lead and flerovium. Write down in their electronic configuration. What are the electronic configuration of these elements? Helium, next 2s2 2p2, 3s2 3p2, 4s2 4p2, 5s2 5p2, 6s2 6p2, 7s2 and 7p2. Clear? Helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, then radon. The valency is here. So 2s2 2p2, 3s2 3p2, 4s2 4p2, 5s2 5p2, 6s2 6p2, 7s2 7p2. 6 to 2 to 4 to 6. Okay, their atomic number is 6. Now 14, 32, 50, 82 and 114. Now it's clear all of you this group. And next group is group 15. Next group is 15. next group 15. Which group is? Group 15 is nitrogen family. Nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic. Okay, nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, then bismuth, and last one is moscovium, Mc. Moscovium. Their atomic number is nitrogen. Atomic number is 7, 8. Atomic number 15, 33. Antimony 51, bismuth 83, and 115. Write down the names. Nitrogen, okay, phosphorus, and next is arsenic, next antimony, bismuth, next is bismuth, and Mc, moscovium. Okay, how to learn? Nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth, and moscovium. नाना पाटेकर, ऐश्वर्या सब बीमार. How to learn? नाना पाटेकर, ऐश्वर्या सब बीमार. Configuration is helium 2s2 2p3 3. Now check the configuration. There is half filled orbital again, and after this helium 2s2 2p3, clear, and neon 3s2 3p2. Before this you can write the d block element 3d10. Okay, you can write here like this, you can write like this, and you can write 3d10, 4s2 and 43. Now like this, 3d10, 4s2, then 4d10, 5s2, 5p3. D block is completely filled. 4d10 after 4f, 14, then 5d, 10, 6s2, 63, and last is 5f, 14 series is complete. 6d10 and 7s2, 7p3. Okay, so I mentioned D block, F, D block also here, because otherwise you confuse 36, then 32, 36, then 38, 38 and 3, 41. And these elements are 41, then add 10, 51. So you can write these and you can write this. Okay, it means if you write 4s2 4p3 only, it means 3d10 is already filled, 3d10 is already filled, 4d10 is already filled, and this is already filled, these are already filled. So you can write only valence cell also here. तो 2s2 2p3, 3s2 3p3, 4s2 4p3, 5s2 5p3, 6s2 6p3, 7s2 7p3. Due to their half-filled orbital, their nature is anomalous. Nitrogen show anomalous behavior. This group show the anomalous behavior because of the half-filled orbital. Now 15 group is clear. Their valency is maximum 3 to 5. And now next is, it's clear all of you. Now it's enough for today.